Hi, everyone, this video provides methods to help you recover temp files on Windows. Method 1. Restore from the recycle bin. Open the recycle bin on your desktop. Find the lost temp files and select them. Right-click the selected area and choose Restore. The files will be restored to the original location. Press the Win and E keys to open File Explorer. Open the temp folder to check the recovered files. Method 2. Use MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Launch MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Hit Select Folder and select the temp folder. Click Select Folder to scan for data. When the scan ends, switch to the Type tab. Expand the file type to find the target files. Tick them all and click Save. Choose a new location and click OK. How to prevent temporary files from being lost. Method 1. Disable Storage Sense. Type storage settings in the search box and press Enter. Make sure the button under Storage is turned off. Click Configure Storage Sense or run it now. Untick Delete temporary files that my apps aren't using. Method 2. Scan for viruses. Right-click Windows and choose Settings. Choose Update and Security. Switch to the Windows Security section. Hit Virus and Threat Protection. Click Quick Scan to scan for threats. Method 3. Hide the temp folder. Press the Win and E keys to open File Explorer. Find the temp folder. Right-click it and choose Properties. Under the General tab, check the hidden box and click OK. Tick Apply changes to this folder, subfolders, and files. Finally, click OK. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.